This is the number 2 Central Machinery Pipe Cutter from Harbor Freight. I used this tool for 10 years. As you can see, the blade wore out on it, but I can't really complain about that too much. It's about a $15 tool. Its capacity 1/8 to 1.25 inches. I don't think you can get replacement blades for it, but I think they might send you an extra one when you buy it. I'm not sure, can't remember. But anyway, if they don't, just buy another one for $15. It was very normal, and in the next part of this video, I'm going to take this apart. It's showing you how much we use this. We actually wore this pin down. That's how much we actually used it. It proved to be a good tool. I highly recommend buying this. This is the Harbor Freight pipe cutter. It's around $10 or so. I'm going to show you the cutter. Kind of broke up a little bit there. In fact, we used it so much, we actually wore the pin down. That's how much it was used. All this happened probably after 10 years of hard usage. So it lasted a long time. For the money, it was a great tool. I would recommend it as a buy. You could probably buy 5 of these or 6 of these before you go through, before you can buy a rigid. And this cut like iron pipe, a lot of them do, you can see how the pin wore at. So this is a proven tool, and I would recommend this as a buy. I'm not sure if you can get replacement wheels for it, but for the $10 or $15, I can go ahead and just buy another one. So that's it, the Harbor Freight pipe cutter. It cuts at 1/8 inch to 1.25 inches is the capacity for this.